This is a normal Mac. Clean, simple, but kinda boring. Now watch this. In just a few tweaks, we're turning this into something insanely powerful, clean, aesthetic, and next level cool. In this video, I'll show you 10 ways to customize your Mac for a cleaner and personalized setup. Let's get started. Number 1, go to Settings. Then open Accessibility. Tap on Display Settings. Scroll down and select mouse pointer size. The normal size is recommended for most users. Next, scroll further to find Pointer Outline Color. Here, you can choose from a variety of colors to customize the outline of your mouse pointer. Below that, you'll see Pointer Fill Color. You can also change the inner color of the pointer to match your preference. That's it, simple and fully customizable. If your dock icons look too large, here's how to fix it. Move your mouse to the divider line on the dock. You can also enable auto hide for a cleaner look. Right-click on the dock and select Turn on Hiding. This will hide the dock when not in use and give you more screen space. Next, try turning on magnification. This adds a smooth animation effect when you move your cursor across the dock icons. And if you want to change its position, you can move the dock to the left or right side of the screen. Press and hold the Option key, then drag the dock using your trackpad. Number 3, minimize display content. Go to Settings, then open Display. Select more space to reduce the size of on-screen content. This gives you extra room on your screen and makes multitasking easier. Number 4, increase contrast. Go to Settings, then open Accessibility. Tap on Display, and turn on Increase Contrast. This reduces transparency across the interface, makes borders and buttons more defined, and improves overall visibility. It also gives your screen a clean, minimal feel with a subtle retro touch. Number 5, change accent color. Go to Settings, then open Appearance. Choose your preferred accent color. This will update the look of your buttons, menus, and highlights across your Mac, giving your system a fresh, personalized feel. Number 6, change text highlight color. Go to Settings, then open Appearance. Select your preferred highlight color. This changes the color you see when you select text across apps, like in documents, browsers, or notes. It not only improves visibility, but also gives your Mac a more personalized and consistent look. Number 7, change folder color. Go to Settings, then open Appearance. Select the folder color option and choose a color that suits your style. This will update the look of your folders, making them easier to identify and giving your Mac a more personalized feel. Number 8, hot corners. Go to Settings, then open Desktop and Dock. Scroll to the bottom and click on Hot Corners. Now, you can assign different actions to each corner of your screen, like opening Launchpad, locking the screen, starting screensaver, or showing the desktop. Once set up, simply move your mouse pointer to a corner, and the selected action will run instantly. It's a simple feature that can make navigating your Mac much faster. Number 9, custom folder icons. On Mac, you can add custom images to your folders for a more personalized look. Then create or select a folder, for example, a folder named Memes. Finally, drag and drop your image onto the folder icon at the top of the info window. And that's it, your folder will now have a custom icon. Number 10. Customized widgets. Widgets are one of the easiest ways to make your Mac look cleaner, smarter, and more personalized. To get started, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Edit Widgets. Here, you'll find widgets from different categories like calendar, weather, clock, notes, battery, podcasts, and many more. Simply choose any widget you like and add it to your desktop. You can also customize the size, small, medium, or large, depending on how much information you want to see. Some widgets even allow extra customization, like changing locations for weather, selecting different clocks, or showing specific reminders and calendars. Once added, drag and place the widgets anywhere on your screen to create a setup that looks clean and organized. Using the right combination of widgets not only improves the appearance of your Mac, but also gives you quick access to useful information without opening apps again and again. And that's it, 10 simple ways to customize your Mac and make it look cleaner, smarter, and more productive. And the best part is, every customization shown in this video is completely free and built directly into macOS. No paid software, and no third-party customization apps required. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow for more Mac customization tips and setup ideas. And comment what you want to see in the next customization series video. See you in the next one.